Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and this video is going to be a little different. I'm actually really pissed right now, and I'm pissed because I put out a video last night, and then if you're a YouTube creator or content creator, you understand that it does take time when you do these videos. Even if it's like 5 minutes, it takes a substantial amount of time to get these videos out if you want them done correctly or at least pleasing, at the most. So I did this video on the Figures F3 device, and I unboxed it, and the unboxing experience was pretty cool. I woke up this morning to a comment, and a viewer said, hey, do yourself a favor and YouTube or look up the Oukitel U23. So I'm like, all right, bet. So I went ahead and looked it up, and pretty much my take on this is that Figures Wireless just rebranded that exact phone and just put his name and the F3 wording on that device. And yeah, companies do that. Some companies do that. But when a device is rebranded, it's not like double the cost. So think about it. When I went on Amazon, I found the Oukitel U23 was going for like $170 or something. Now imagine, I paid $550 for the ultimate package for the F3, and think about it, I can get it for $170 on Amazon. So you rebranded this product and this device, yet you just charged us, like, it's just ridiculous. And another thing that I should have known something wasn't right, and something, like, there was absolutely no specs on the box. I couldn't find any specs anywhere. So I reached out to the company, and they did actually respond pretty quickly, and they gave me a few specs, but nothing that I could really use in my video. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I don't really read specs. I put them on the screen so that you can read them, or you can fast forward, or whatever you need to do. Because some people are like, oh, no one cares about specs, but there are people that really do. When I make my videos, I make it for the general, everybody and in between. Maybe the new person that's never had a cell phone, or you're watching it because you just want to know some things. My videos are just for the beginner and everything in between. So that's why I do it. For some of you who don't care for the specs, there's just as many people that do care. But anyways, so I ended up having to search for specs for this device. The only true spec that they gave me was the screen size, which is like, 6.22, I believe. Then they try to tell me that the cameras, which the F3 has 2 dual cameras, and they try to tell me that they were 18 megapixel. When I looked into the camera app myself, what did I see? I saw 16. Then I had this app to kind of confirm that, and they both said 16. You go on Amazon and look up the Oukitel or Oukitel, whatever way you pronounce it. That one also says 16 megapixels. Okay, so you're giving me specs that are not with this phone, and that's not cool. I mean, yeah, companies rebrand, but then to lie about the specs that you have on the phone is ridiculous. And I would not recommend such a company to anyone, and that's the reason I pulled that video down. Like I said, the thing that I'm mad about is I spent my time doing that video. And it sucks because I had to pull it down, but what type of person would I be to recommend something like that to my viewers? You guys, I owe you guys more than that. So, I mean, it just sucks. It does, but it's a learning experience. And I want to say thank you to that viewer that just straight up said, go check it out. I don't think he was being hateful. He was being informative. And we can all learn from each other, and I learned a lesson. I did. I did reach out to customer service for Figures Wireless to request a refund. You're damn right, I fully want my money back. $550 for a phone that I can get for $170. You do the math. And as far as accessories, I never even opened them. Like I said, earbuds, I don't really use earbuds. I like earphones. I like wired. I like cabled headphones, earphones, all of that. So yeah, that just does it for this rant video. I'm just going to upload this direct. I don't want to spend any more time editing something for a Figure wireless. I spent enough time and enough time was lost. So this will be a direct upload straight to YouTube. No edits. I'm out here enjoying some outside time before it gets a little hot. It's already like 80 degrees right now. And I am filming this from the Huawei P30 Pro. And I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, I'm going to stop it right here. I want to say thank you for chilling with me as I rant about this device. I hope that I don't have too many more of these rant videos, but I got to be 100 and keep it real. And if something's not right, it's just not right. And I'm not going to sit there and say that it is. So until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.